Hey guys, thanks for coming back, and for those of you who are new, thanks for coming. If you're new, my name is Jessica and I create videos about beauty, luxury, and fashion. So if you've taken a look at the title, then you've probably guessed that today we are doing an unboxing. It's a Louis Vuitton item, something kind of unexpected for me, but when I saw it, I absolutely loved it. So we are going to be unboxing and trying on the Louis Vuitton Monogram bucket hat. So if that is something you're interested in, then stay tuned. In this massive box, I have the, I believe the full name is the Monogram Infinity Bucket Hat. First off, have been loving some of the new things that Louis Vuitton has been coming out with. I have just noticed that they have a lot of like new pink items on their website, which pink is my favorite color, aside from gold. So I've absolutely just been loving the things that I've been seeing. As you can see, my bandeau I got just recently, I think in the last few weeks, from one of their new collections. I think it's the Sunrise collection. But yeah, so this item is also, it also has some pink in it, but this is how it arrived in this huge box. So we are going to go ahead and unbox it together. Alright. And I love that they put it inside this massive box, like they don't fold it, because they could have fit it inside a much smaller box if they would have just folded it, but I see they want to preserve the integrity of the item, which I like. Okay. Let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, it's wrapped also. This is the hat, you guys. And I know, like, I have never really been a hat person, unless I'm like on vacation on the beach, which is essentially what I plan on using this for. This will be for when I'm like at the pool or at the beach, but honestly, it could even be for like when I'm just running errands and I just need to put something on my head. So, but I just loved it. I thought it was so pretty. It's white, pink, and you know what? I always thought it was black. Yeah, it is black. I was about to say maybe it's navy, but no, I think it's black, which is perfect for me because, like I said, my favorite color is pink, but the colors that I most frequently wear are pink, white, and black. Like one of the three I'm most often wearing. So I feel like it'll look perfect with like a swimsuit of either of those colors, either one of those colors. Yeah, I just love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it on. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, it's actually reversible, which is also pretty cool. So this side is completely pink, and then it just says Louis Vuitton on the front. So I'd have to cut this tag off in order to wear it this way. But yeah, I have not shopped at Louis Vuitton, honestly, since I bought these earrings, which I think was like 3 years ago. So, but in the last month and a half, I've purchased 4 items from them because I'm honestly just loving the new things that they are coming out with. For their Mother's Day collection, they had a color called Pink Opal and a bunch of different items in that color. I'm actually like a lot of their items have been on back order, so I'm actually still waiting to receive an item that was purchased in early May. So yeah, I guess that's to kind of tell you how popular that color was. But yeah, here is the hat. I don't want to put it on too tightly because I don't want to get my makeup on it. But do you guys like this? I do. I absolutely love this. Like, I obviously wouldn't be wearing it with the bandeau as well, but can you just imagine this with like a pink swimsuit and like giant sunglasses? clear sunglasses I feel would look best. What do you guys think? It's like I said, it's kind of an unexpected purchase for me because I'm not really a hat wearer except for when I'm on vacation or at the pool. And let me show you guys what the other side looks like. Do you guys like it? So I'd have to cut this off, but okay, so let me tell you guys a little bit about this hat. It was $540, I want to say. It does come in 2 separate sizes. I want to say, I don't know, I don't remember if it was like small or medium or whatever, but there were 2 different sizes. Guessing probably small, medium, or medium large. And so I got the larger size, which, if you have a really large head, you might struggle with this a bit because I don't think I have a big head. I have a big forehead, but like the actual size of my head itself, I don't think is that big. It's probably like on the bigger side of average, if that makes sense. And it's like fitting just like if my head was slightly bigger, or if I had like thicker hair on my head, it would probably be a struggle. So if you have a bigger head, or if you have a lot of full hair, or you tend to wear extensions that are super full, this may not be the option for you. But I really like this. What else can I tell you guys about it? I don't know. Let me know if you guys want to see like a styling video of how I would style this. I just keep putting it back on. Maybe I need to... Yeah, but I don't know. This was just like a fun purchase for me. And yeah, I just kind of wanted to unbox it with you guys because it's very hard for me to actually... I'm getting a phone call. But it's very hard for me to wait to unbox something. So there's been so many things that I have wanted to unbox with you guys, but I've just like started wearing them, and then I feel like once I started wearing them, it's like it kind of takes the fun out of the unboxing. I could do like reviews on certain things. For example, these the Bom Dia Comfort Mules. These are ones, I got these at the end of April, so about a month and a half ago, and I absolutely loved them because this is not a colorway that I've seen. Actually, before I got them, I had not, no, I take that back, because I saw them on the website, and then I ended up going into a store and getting them about 2 weeks later. But still, till this day, I haven't seen anyone like out and about with this colorway. So this was part of the I think it was called the Dune collection. And yeah, so I really loved these. I was hoping to do an unboxing for you guys, but as you can see, I've worn them so many times. I hope you're able to see it, or I don't know if the light is too bright, but I actually really love these. And let me know if you guys want to see a review on these, because I can talk to you guys about the comfort of these and the sizing, which yeah, there's kind of a lot to say about that. So if you guys are interested in that, let me know. But yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, please consider giving it a thumbs up. And if you like this type of content, go ahead and subscribe. Well, thank you guys so much, and see you guys next time. Bye.